Hi there, this is Miss Leahy, and I'm here to show you how to use Studio in your Canvas course to record a screencast of your presentation for TPSP. So first you're going to your Google Drive and you're opening up your Google Drive. This is really so that when you are ready to use Studio, your presentation will be right there, ready to choose. So once you're in your Google Drive, you're going to open up your presentation. So now you have your presentation open and you're going to go back to your SSO page. Click on that and you're going to go to your Canvas course. That is your TPSP Canvas course. I'm pretending that this is my TPSP Canvas course. I'm going over to the column that's dark blue or dark gray, and I'm choosing Studio. Click on Studio. When I open up my Studio, I have videos already. You probably won't. You're going to go up to the upper right corner where it says Record and click on Record. And then you're going to choose Studio Capture. And then you'll see yourself in the window. Yay, the camera's working. If you don't see yourself, you'll see a message that says Allow Microphone and Camera, and you choose Allow. You're going to click Screen Capture, and you're choosing Enabled. Then, and this is where it comes in handy that you've already opened up your presentation, because now your presentation is right there in the list under Chrome tab, and you click on that. Then you click on Share, and now your presentation will be right here and your camera will be right here. This is a good time for you to adjust your camera by moving the screen of your Chromebook. And then you're going to go over here to where it says Start Recording. You might have to scroll down a little bit like I did. You're clicking on Start Recording. And then it's counting down. I'm going to click over to my presentation. I'm clicking on Slideshow. And then I'm going to talk about my slideshow, and I'm going to act as if I'm moving through. Here I am going through my slideshow. When I'm finished talking and reading my script or saying my script and going through my slides, then I come back to Studio. See that tab right up here with the red dot? I come back to that, and then I click on Finish Recording. And then you'll see a little demo of your recording. So you click on the play button and you watch yourself and you see if you like it. And if you like it, that's awesome. And if you don't like it, you click Start Over. If you like it, you're going to click on Save Media. So I'm clicking on Save Media because I like what I saw. And now your video will be in your studio, which is awesome. Now what I'd like to do next is I'd like to show you how to turn that video in. So you're going to go back to your course. You're going to choose the course that you're in. I'm pretending I'm in the Designing Spaces course. I go to Modules. I scroll down to where it says Present to Others. I click to that. I'm going to go ahead and scroll to Student View so you can see what that looks like better. I click Start Assignment. Now when you open up your assignment, you'll see this button that says Studio. It may end up being over here depending on how big your screen is. I click on Studio. and then it will show your video in here. Mine doesn't because I'm pretending I'm a student. And then you'll choose submit. And that's how you do your submission for your video. Thanks for listening.